Next, we're going to discuss how to do a bulk domain registration, or how to find the perfect domain using the GoDaddy bulk domain search tool. And what this process is going to do, it's very similar to how you register a domain the regular way, but that other way you kind of have to do some trial and error until you find a domain that's going to work for you. In this case, you can actually put together a variety of keyword options until you come across a domain that is going to work best for you. So one of the first things you need to do is go out to Google, and I'll help you find this tool, and we're going to grab the Google AdWords keyword tool. And this is a free tool, and we're just going to grab a variety of different keyword options that people might be looking for a particular niche. So let's just say shoulder pain, or weightlifting. This particular product that I was thinking of is related to weightlifting for shoulder pain. So let's go shoulder pain, and let's go right in here. And this is just a tool. Basically, you just need to put in to verify you are a human here. The thing we're doing right here is we're coming up with a variety of keyword options, and then we're going to put those into GoDaddy's bulk domain registration tool. We're just going to dump them right in there. So you go to GoDaddy.com, then you'll click on bulk domain registration, and then we're going over to the Google AdWords keyword tool. So you want to have a couple of internet tabs open in order to do this. And you can generally, just open up a new tab. There's usually a plus sign up there if you're in Firefox. Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, those have similar features as well. So we'll let Google do its search here. And for this one, we're not really, what we're trying to do here is not necessarily find the absolute most perfect domain name, but what we're looking for is, basically kind of some ideas as to, some different ideas that we could pull from to create a domain. So let's get your shoulder pain cure, that's 6600. You've got a variety of other ones here. So let's just go here and we can check these domains, and then we'll just click on save all on all those keyword ideas. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and grab these my keyword ideas. It says view as text, so we're just going to highlight all that up there, hit highlight it all. You can hit Control A, and then you can right click and choose copy, and then you're going to paste it right back into the GoDaddy domain bulk domain registration tool. So again, GoDaddy.com, right below their search feature, it typically will have bulk domain search, or you can find it in some of their navigations as well. And we're just going to paste these in here. And what you want to choose is .com. Make sure you check .com, .net, because .com and .net domains generally are good options for you. And so one of the things you'll want to do after you actually do the edit within there, and this is kind of, can be kind of the painful process, but it's generally just going through here, and you'll just want to go through, take out the spaces just so everything kind of stays all run together for GoDaddy search tool. But it's really simple because you're just quickly going through here. So what you want to do, take out all the spaces, and then GoDaddy's going to go through and see if there's any of these that you could possibly get. Again, out of these options, we came up here, there's 34 that are unavailable. A lot of those were pretty basic, keyword phrases, so I'm not surprised. But you might find some, surprising domains that you could actually use. And then they also give you some recommendations over here. But, doing all that search, I actually found two pretty good domains that you could go with, Shoulder Pain Cure and shoulderpaincure.net. So you can actually just check the domain you want to go with. You could choose both of them, and then just choose proceed to checkout. So that process works really well if you're trying to narrow down, a keyword that you may want to go after, that maybe you're not sure exactly what different keywords to look up. You can just do the AdWords keyword tool, type in kind of the main subject of your niche. We could even go the improve golf score. You could go that route if you wanted to. Just do a search depending on whatever niche it is. Go through here, hit save all to grab all those domains, and then just click on, my keyword ideas. And then you can just highlight all these, import them over to the GoDaddy bulk domain tool, and then quickly just buzz through those, take out the spaces, and then once you run the search, it'll actually narrow it down from these 50 results. You give them these 100 keywords. It'll help you actually identify quickly some halfway decent domains, so you're not actually sitting there, even though you have to go back in and do the spaces. You're basically, it narrows down a lot of the process of sitting there trial and error, and you'll be surprised how many actually really good domains that you can actually come up with using this actual tool. So so that was a good example. As you saw, shoulder pain cure was a good domain that popped up there. There's some other good ones, especially in golf markets and electronics and things like that. So that's how you do a bulk domain registration. That's how you find domains in bulk. You don't necessarily have to register them all at once, but it does really help you narrow down the process so you can come up with the domain. Once you choose your domain, you're just going to go through the same process for checking out with GoDaddy.